welcome back to Kai's Art. So we're gonna be using Procreate. So in this video, basically, there's a channel called Art Flow, I believe, and basically this channel creates lots of video tutorials about Procreate. So I basically got the app, and I still watch tutorials, and basically, I'm still new to the app. I'm trying to get myself educated with it and learn more stuff as I go with it and stuff like that. So we're gonna be drawing this virus. I'm gonna link the video in the description or on the iCard. And so basically, I don't know what to say. Basically, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just gonna put some music for you guys, and yeah. Okay, let me now talk about my drawing. So basically, the drawing that I followed was basically quite different. As you guys saw, basically I didn't really focus on the brown stuff in the eye because I didn't really like it. But yeah, so far it's kind of looking like it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all.